So let us take an example. So you're asked to find the equation of this line, which is at a distance of 2 units from origin, such that the angle made by this line with the negative direction of x-axis 30 degrees. The negative direction of x-axis 30 degrees. Now, what is the equation of this line? So we can very easily find the equation of this line using the normal form. Because as you see, the information which you got is somehow related to the information in normal form. So the perpendicular distance from origin is given and some sort of angle is given. So we know that the equation of a line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p, where alpha is the angle made by the normal ray with the positive direction of x-axis. So you should not take 30 as alpha. So if this angle is 30 degrees, the angle alpha is the angle made by normal with the positive direction of x-axis. So if this is 30 degrees, this will be 150 degrees. 30 degrees, 150 degrees. So this is nothing but the angle alpha. So keep this in mind. You always has to measure the angle made by the normal with the positive direction of x-axis. And you are measuring in anti-clockwise direction. So plus 150 degrees is the angle. So x times cos 150 degrees plus y times sin 150 degrees is equal to the perpendicular distance p is 2 units. This implies x times cos 150 is nothing but minus root 3 by 2 plus y times sin 150 is 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So this implies the general equation of this line is minus root 3x plus y is equal to 4 if you take the LCM. Minus root 3x plus y is equal to 4. So this is the normal form of this line. If the equation is left in this form, x cos something plus y sin something is equal to p. So this is called the normal form of the straight line. This is the general form of the straight line. So if you're asked to find the normal form of the straight line, you have to leave it here.